So what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Well, yesterday I went to Harbor Freight and bought a new toy. So I've been kind of looking at this for a while. I haven't done any research. I don't know, maybe I'm a nut hugger. But so when I originally did this truck, what I ended up doing was I had one of these 4-foot LED lights, and I literally chained it inside the roof of the truck so I could see. This is an underhood light. It's up to 4,200 watts. So I didn't realize this when I bought it yesterday, but I noticed this when I got home. It includes one 2100 lumen light. Got to buy the second one. So it's kind of cool. It's a magnetic. It's got 2 plates on there, one on each side, so you'll be able to turn it whatever way you want. Or if you don't want to use under the hood, stick it on whatever. These are USB rechargeable. If I can get the thing out. So USB-C or regular USB. Oh, input and output. Okay, so the output right there would be, I don't know, maybe if you wanted to link your 2 lights together. It did come with a cord. It came with instructions that I have not looked at yet. But this cord should be long enough to go from one to the other. But let me go ahead and get this put together. Yeah, I would say, you know what, I should probably look at the instructions. So assembly is pretty simple. These ends, they're keyed, so they only go on one way. Well, technically they go on 180, but you do it the other way, it's not gonna be able to clip on underneath your hood for you. Do the other side. Go, Speedy, go! Go, go, go! Uh-oh, stuck. Okay. My assistant wants to show how to do the other side. Go fast? Fast? Uh-huh. Tight. Okay, good job. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate what I actually bought this for. Okay, never mind guys. Yeah. So as you guys see, it just kind of grips onto the hood. It would be nice if the hood opened up more, but with this being a steel hood, the way these lights are set up, I could just stick them to the hood, which is super convenient because that means I don't need this. But on vehicles like anything that's got a headliner, obviously these old trucks, they have steel headliners. Let's see. But I have a lot of interior work to do in here, so these lights are gonna be pretty cool. Stick it right there, and wait, how did Bentley do that? Bentley made it brighter. Okay, so if you push the power button, it comes on. You hold it, cool. So I'll be able to stick that to the headliner, that'd be awesome. I'm probably gonna go back up and buy another one of these lights, just for the fact that this mount does hold 2 lights. It is a little pricey at, I wanna say it was $90. I had a couple Harbor Freight coupons, so I used those up. And this weekend they also had a free gift deal. So I ended up getting another one of these moving blankets. I really like these for laying on the floor. Just kind of sucks they do get dirty. My other one's pretty messed up from when we were doing the charger because all the fluid's on the ground, and obviously my floor is not very clean. But they don't work great as welding blankets. They will burn. Be careful, guys. But I mean, a free blanket that I'm gonna trash, I'm not gonna complain about. I've had that one for 2 years. I got that one when I bought my top cabinet because that was a clearance item that wasn't boxed, so they literally had it wrapped in a blanket. Good job. Go put it by the fire pit, please. But kind of excited about this. I was kind of nervous because I first unfolded it. So you unclip this extends, but then this right here is spring loaded. So that's where they get the 77 inches from, because that's really only like 48 or something. For this truck particularly, it's kind of gonna be in the way just because, well, obviously my truck sits on the ground. But other than that, I like that it is a magnet base. So it'd be kind of cool if I was at like night shows or whatever. I don't know. I could put the magnets under here and showcase when I get this all cleaned up. It's gonna get valve covers, and I would like to repaint. Obviously right there you can see it's leaking a little bit. It needs valve cover gaskets. Okay. Trying to stay toasty in here today? Yeah, it's cold out. It was 70 degrees out 3 days ago, and now today's barely gonna break 30. So we got the wood stove going.
20 yet.
Well, it's like 31 now, but hey, that's for making syrup. We're burning logs today. So we're gonna go test this thing out. I'm gonna go put it on the headliner and the charger with my lovely assistant. Hi, lovely assistant. So for test number 2, we're out here at the charger. Dirty and all. Go ahead. Okay, so I could go ahead and loosen up. Watch out, babies. I could go ahead and loosen up. Stick our light on. I know it's not a very good test because it's bright out, but oh, I didn't realize that these themselves also turn, so that's cool. Be able to slide it to where you're working. Be convenient if you're doing anything up here on the dash, or I'd say under the dash, but under the dash wouldn't really help you. But
Ow. What?
Pretty convenient, I think. Where are we at, Bentley? Harbor Freight. So back to the scene of the crime. So we got our light down here that we just bought yesterday, $90. I didn't realize these were this expensive, $60 just for the light. And then I seen the Braun. I'm like, okay, maybe I'll get those, but $60 is 2100 lumen. These are 750. So I was just, hey, stop. So had to check it out, obviously. So low, medium, high, okay? And the big light, I think that's high. Yep, low, medium, high. Okay, so we got our Braun 750 lumen, holding that there. And then you can't even tell that the other light's there. So I'm just gonna eat the cost and pay for the $60 one because it's way brighter. So see you guys back at home. So that's what I think about this product. I don't know, kind of pricey, but it'll be convenient for when I do need it, especially at Diesel Kid's house because his lighting sucks. So thanks for sticking around. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.